guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Beauteque Monthly. If you guys don't know what Beauteque Monthly is, I'm going to leave the first video here. But basically just a rundown. It is a monthly subscription service and it is Korean beauty products. So there are two different type of boxes that you can get. I'm super grateful that Beauteque Monthly partnered up with me and they do send me these boxes free of charge so I can do unboxing for you guys. So basically I get two different boxes. I have the Mask Maven box, which is nothing but face mask, so if you're really into skincare, you're totally gonna love that. And then I also have the beauty box, which consists of hair, skin, nails, everything like that, kind of just a mixture of beauty items. So it's really awesome. They did provide me with a code to send out to you guys, so the code is XOMelissa25. I'm gonna leave it right here. Again, XOMELISSA25, and that's gonna get you 25% off of your first box because it is a monthly subscription service. And before we actually jump into that part of the video, I just want to talk about the elephant in the room. I did cut my hair, as you guys can see. So my hair was literally so long. It was like I had that V in the back, and literally the longest part of the V always would hit the top of my jeans or even lower. So my hair was always super long. I love long hair, but I feel like with current events that have been going on in my life, I kind of wanted something a little bit different. I wanted to change, and I had to get my roots dyed anyway, because if you guys don't know, I am naturally a brunette and I just wanted to do something different. I wanted to be blonde because I personally don't like how dark hair looks on me. Like, I am naturally brunette, but I don't like how brunette looks on me. I feel like it kind of washes me out, so I still wanted to stay a blonde because my love was always at blonde. And I was just like, I had long hair for such a long time. Let me try something different. So I went ahead and got it cut. I actually got it cut this morning, so literally just came back from the salon and now here I am. So I didn't vlog it. I didn't know if you guys wanted a vlog of that. I'm really not sure, but I did kind of document it on Instagram. If you guys are not following me, go give me a follow. But yeah, I feel like it just looks so good. It looks so healthy. So as you guys can see, she did go shorter in the back and then longer in the front. Reason being is because my hair is so darn thick that if she did really long in the back like this, my hair would kind of just really look poofy. So she just decided that it would be better for my hair to go short and then long. And I kind of liked that angle as well. I feel like it just looks really good. I like it here longer because if it hits my shoulders, I am going to get that flip. And I personally just don't like that flip. I love the length. I feel like it still looks pretty long. I could still put it in a ponytail if need be. So I'm obsessed. I love it so much. So I just want to say thank you to Jeannie. I love this. I love my hair. I'm so happy and I feel like a brand new person. And truthfully, I feel like I should be ready for fall right now. I don't know why I associate this kind of hair with fall, but I just feel like with this hair, it just to me screams fall. I just want a nice cozy scarf. I want a dark lipstick and a pumpkin spice latte. That's basically what I want right now. So maybe after this video I'll do it. But let me just stop talking about my hair because I can go on and on. I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys. Okay, so like usual, I'm going to start off with the Mask Maven because that is just always on top. So it usually comes in this really nice packaging. I love the packaging. It's just so iridescent and colorful. I think it's so cute. So I'm just going to pop this out, and then as always, it does come in a little, just a little bag, I guess. So when you pull everything out, I'm not going in any specific order. These are all of the face masks that I got. So first thing that you guys probably saw was this right here, and this is just basically the theme for this month's box. So this month's box is Girls Night In, and then you just pop that open and they just give you a little note. So it says, "Hello beautiful, grab your popcorn, movie, and BFF and get ready for girl night all month long. After a hectic summer, it's important to unwind and relax. So this September will be all about making sure that your bestie has a perfect self-care night. You bring the cheese and wine and we will be providing a pair of each type of mask so you both can enjoy them." That is so darn exciting. So best friends, if you're watching this, get ready. We need a girls night. So, and then if you open it up even more, it just gives you a breakdown of each type of mask and basically what it is good for. So first one that I have, I'm going to go individually one by one, which is usually what I do. So what I'm going to look at first is the Lover Recipe Carrot Mask. And that is what it looks like. I think this is so darn cute. The packaging of each and every single item I think is adorable. I think Korean beauty has some of the most like cutest packaging. I'm not even gonna lie. So this one is Why We Heart It. This mask features carrots, which adds elasticity to your skin, and hyaluronic acid, which will help moisturize your face. It's made from naturally derived cellulose fabric, which is very soft and will also tightly adhere to your face. So excited. The next one that we have, this one is the Sally Box Love Recipe Peach Mask. This features peach, which strengthens skin, hyaluronic acid, which helps to moisturize your face, and it's made from naturally derived cellulose fabric, which is soft and will also tightly adhere to your face. So these two are kind of the same thing in just different scents. So love that. The next one, this is the Green Tea The Vert. This one is enriched with green tea extract. This mask will calm and soothe your skin. The rich extracts also clear and revitalize skin that is exposed to environmental stressors and purifies it instantly. So that is so darn cool. And then the next one, this is another cucumber one, and this one features cucumber extracts. This mask will help cool dull dry skin instantly. Your skin will feel soft and supple in a couple of minutes with this mask on, leaving you look effortlessly flawless. Wow, I can't speak today. So that is what this one is. I really like this because come like around this time, I feel like that's when my skin starts to change and I get a little dry in certain areas. So really happy that a lot of these are like moisturizing and hydrating and everything. And then we have this one. This one is so cute. This one is the Renardo Core Essence Baboba Mask. I hope I said that right. So this mask features baboba extracts, which are prized its excellent softening, healing, and regenerating skincare properties. It's also rich in antioxidants, which also provides your skin against free radical damages. The next one is again by Renardua. Hope I'm saying that right. But this one is packed with centilla acidic extracts. This mask will take your skin to the next level of radiance and clearness. It will also provide intense hydration for a firmer and soother looking skin. Love this. So then we also have this I'm so darn excited for. I think this one is so cool. This is the Galaxy for oily skin. So it's a 3-part multi-step mask that will cover your T-zone with a pink bubble mask featuring tea extract, your C-zone with a green mud mask featuring green tea extract, and your U-zone featuring a color change peel off featuring gold extract. So this one is for oily skin. So cool. You guys know I have oily skin, so I'm so excited. And funny enough, my best friends actually have dry skin, so they also do have one for dry skin, and it is the same exact color. So I like how they included both oily and dry. I will definitely use the oily one. My best friends will definitely fight over the dry one. So the next one is the Coconut Essence Mask. This one is actually a bonus one. This mask features coconut extract, which also soothes your face and helps minimize skin irritation. It also contains collagen and vitamin E, which provides moisturizing and anti-aging benefits for your skin. So cool. I love the smell of coconut, so I'm excited. And then this one I'm like even more excited about because this one is avocado, and I love avocados. So this one is the Purdum Avocado Collagen Mask. This mask contains a unique blend of avocado extract, collagen, and vitamin E, which provides rich nutrition and vitality to your complexion. Its natural pulp cloth retains more moisture than synthetic based fabrics, which also help your pores fully absorb the beneficial ingredients in the mask. So cool. This is something I definitely need. So yeah, those were all of the face masks. I love how they gave like 2 variants of each, because sometimes like my skin is, or 100% of the time, my skin is different than my best friend's, or like my skin is just reacts differently. And I feel like I love how there are 2 different types of masks, so you and your like friends don't have to argue over it. And I think that this is just such a nice theme for this month, because all summer long, like, you're running around, you're doing all this crazy stuff, so sometimes you just need to sit back and relax a little bit. So I am so happy. And then the next one that I'm gonna open up, this is the box. This is the Beauteque monthly. This is the beauty box, and this is what it looks like. So, and then this is what it looks like here. So the cute little sticker says you're invited, and then it just has cheese and wine, and I think that's so darn cute. So same as always, it does have the same exact theme. And this is the third box that I have gotten from Beauteque monthly, and literally I have not had a repetitious item, meaning anything that was in the box for the mask maybe isn't in here, and I really do appreciate that. And another thing that I really do appreciate as well is that all of the boxes every single month are different. So again, I've only had this for 3 months, but during those 3 months I didn't get an item, let's say the first month, again this month. So I really do appreciate that. I really do appreciate how every month there are different items, and that they kind of just break it down and just tell you what each item is for, which is awesome. So first thing that I'm going to open up, this is the Green Tea Pure Cleansing Balm. I am so darn excited because I have been obsessed with cleansing balms lately. So this one is formulated with green tea and olive fruit oil. This cleansing balm will help lock in moisture and protect sensitive skin while cleansing away your makeup. Green tea also helps reduce the sign of aging, while olive fruit oil helps maintain your skin's moisture barrier without clogging pores. That is so important to me because I have such oily skin. I have to be really careful about what is going on to my skin and kind of just making sure my pores do not get clogged or anything like that. So I'm super excited. So this one says apply a moderate amount of product onto your face and gently massage and melt product into your skin, allowing all the makeup and impurities to melt away. Add some water to emulsify the oil and continue massaging the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. Make sure to follow up using the cleansing balm with a water-based cleanser for best makeup removing results. So yeah, usually what I do is I will use a makeup remover cleansing, a balm or oil or anything like that. Then I just go in and actually wash my face. I do wash my face every single night, so I'm so darn excited. And the retail value of this is RRP $23, so great. The next thing that I have, this is a quick dry hair mist. I actually have never heard of this, but I'm so excited. So this is from Hair Tessero. Hope I'm saying that right. This quick hair mist is perfect solution if you're busy and need to reduce your drying time. All you have to do is spray into your hair after you shower, and your wet hair will quickly dry up. In addition, this mist also has a light cherry blossom scent to it. That is so cool. So all you have to do is just spray the mist onto your wet hair, then blow dry your hair, and then it will reduce your blow dry time in half. And then also, not only does this mist help with quick drying hair, it'll also help protect your hair from heat damage. That is so cool. I'm so happy that it has both in it. I feel like that is just awesome. So excited to give this a test. I never really blew out my hair when I had long hair, and that was just because my hair was so darn long. Like, I didn't have the time, I didn't have the patience, I didn't have the muscle strength to do it. So I'm really excited to use this and kind of just cut my hair drying time even more in half, because chopping off my hair, it definitely made the blow drying time lessen, but I'm really excited to make it even less with this item. That is so cool. So this retails for $8. The next thing that I have, this is from Meta Flower. This is the Aronix Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Sleeping Pack. Whew, that was a lot to say. So this retails for $18. This sleeping pack contains hyaluronic acid and eucalyptus oil, which highly moisturizes your skin and delivers ultimate hydration and nutrients. It also contains chamomile flower extract and honey extract, which will help nourish your skin while you're wearing the mask overnight. So that is so awesome. If you have oily skin, I feel like you're still gonna love this, because even though you are oily, I cannot stress enough, you need to make sure to moisturize your skin. And then if you are dry, same thing, moisturize your skin. You want to make sure no matter what skin type you have, your skin is nice and moisturized. So apply a moderate amount and spread evenly on your face. Leave the mask on overnight and wash it off in the morning. So hyaluronic acid is a Star K beauty ingredient, and it's known to provide the best moisturizing properties to your skin. So super excited to test this out. I love trying out new masks for my face, like at nighttime. That's just one thing I really do. During the day, I always stick to Dermalogica because that really helps to control my oils, but at nighttime, that's kind of when I test out different products and just see what really works for my skin. So the next thing that I have, this is the Eco Touch Nail Essence Oil Pen. So this Nail Essence Oil Pen will provide nutrition and moisturization to your cuticles. It's enriched with natural oils like lavender and jojoba, which work to remove dead skin cells and loosen up and heal any broken nails. I almost dropped that. And turn back the essential oil pen clockwise. Firmly spread the essence over dry nails and apply several times as needed. And then you just want to make sure that it does dry. And then you can use this on both your fingers and your toes. So I think this is awesome because usually around this time when the weather gets changing, I feel like my cuticles just get really dry and just really nasty. So I'm really excited to go ahead and test this out. And then I have some scrunchies. I love scrunchies so much. So this is from Hair Cloud. These scrunchies are perfect for styling your hair when you're on the go, but it's also great for putting your hair up when you're putting on skin care at home. Made sure that you got a pair so you could use it with your best friend during your girls' night in. This is so cute. I love it. So position your hair in a ponytail or any way you want to style it, and use a scrunchie to hold your hair in place. You can also use this as a bracelet. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember back in the day, and I know I'm only like 26, but yeah, back in the day when scrunchies were like the thing. You did a scrunchie, everybody had to wear a scrunchie. It was just like the in thing. And I would even wear it as a bracelet, like it said. Like, I just thought scrunchies were just so darn cool. So that is what it looks like, and I would literally just pop it on like this and like thought I was like the best, coolest person ever because I had a scrunchie. And then the last thing that I have, this is from True, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry, but this is the I'm sorry for my skin peeling pad and moisture 2-step face mask. Whew. Okay, so this one is one for you and one for me. You will receive a pair of these 2-step masks. You can use it yourself and with your BFF. This 2-part mask set will help remove dead skin cells to create a smoother complexion and brighter skin tone. Use the embossed side of the peeling pad wipe to wipe your face, and use a plain cotton side to wipe it again. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Take out 4 masks from the 2-step package. Place the 4 masks on desired area that you want to target, cheek, forehead, jaw, etc. and leave them on for about 5 minutes. Take off the mask, gently pat until the remaining essence is absorbed. So this is a 2-step mask that is perfect to use at home, but it's also great to take on the go, and it is very good for travel. So that is what this looks like. I'm so excited. This is actually really cool. So it literally opens up like this, if you guys could see, like a little book. So that seems awesome. So I'm so excited. And it does say step 1 and 2. That is it for this month's box. I love everything. I'm so excited to test everything out. Again, I say this every single video, but if you guys are interested in anything and you do want a more detailed review on a product or anything like that, please leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to make that happen for you guys. That will probably happen on my blog, so if you guys are interested, my blog link is below and then you can go follow me on there. That's usually where I give in-depth reviews, questions. I just started a new segment on my blog which is called Beauty Question and Answer, and that's just a question that I get all the time, which could be from my friends, from family, from you guys, and it's just like a really simple answer for you guys, so you guys can actually get some answers to those questions. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all of my future uploads. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye! Thank you.